terrible if all of a sudden your favorite food made you break out in hives? Unfortunately, this condition is quite common. The medical term for it is urticaria. Besides food, urticaria can be triggered by a number of other factors: emotional stress, sunshine, heat or cold, and medication are just a few of them. Today, we'll look at how Oriental medicine treats chronic cases of urticaria.
Urticaria is a very common disease. In Korea, 20% of the population has suffered from this disease at least once. In Oriental medicine, urticaria is called pungjin or unjin because it appears suddenly like the wind and makes the skin red. Urticaria is hypersensitivity of the skin and a type of allergic skin disease. If your skin swells up suddenly with an itching symptom, it is most likely urticaria. In severe cases, urticaria develops into endema and invades the hypodermic tissue and mucous tissue. The size of the endema is varied from very small to large. Some of them combine into the shape of a map. Most urticaria patients complain of an itching symptom. In the early stages, some patients feel as if they've been pricked by a needle. This symptom vanishes in several days, but sometimes it lasts longer than 6 days.
Is it true that certain people are more prone to urticaria?
Oriental medicine understands that urticaria breaks out when the poisonous matters of pung, han, sup, yeol invade into the body from the outside. The person who is susceptible to this disease has frail, dry skin, congenitally, has taeol, digests poorly due to the heat in the stomach, whose overall skin lacks nutrient because the body is weak and cold.
In order to find the cause of urticaria, the patient needs to have her medical history, drug use, and diet pattern checked carefully.
When does it get worse? The symptoms of this patient corresponds to pungyol type urticaria, which gets worse in the summer after hot showers or sweating. This patient will be treated with general acupuncture therapy first, medicinal treatment second, and then acupuncture therapy specifically for the ears.
Finding the cause of these breakouts is the most important step in curing urticaria. Once the cause is found, Oriental medicine prescribes herbal remedies and acupuncture treatments accordingly. Now, let's find out more about acupuncture treatments for treating urticaria.
Oriental medicine believes that lungs control our skin. To control the lung, we apply acupuncture on 경혈, on back and on legs, which control the circulation of blood and energy, and cool down the heat of our body. There are 3 points of acupuncture on the back. There are 폐수혈 at both sides of thoracic vertebra. 격수혈 at both sides of 7th thoracic vertebra. It is called 혈해 and can be applied to all diseases related to blood. 신수 at both sides of 2nd lumbra vertebra. This patient doesn't have symptoms in his legs, but I will apply acupuncture on 경혈, which promotes blood circulation and cools down body heat. This is 삼음교혈, where the 경기 of the liver, the spleen, and the kidneys come together. This is a very important point in treatment of diseases related to 혈. 위중혈, located in the center of the back of the knee, is important in helping blood circulation and cooling down body heat. The common medicinal prescription for Pungyal-type urticaria patient is 소풍산. The main herb medicines are 형계, 선퇴, 우방자, 감국. All of these medicines have cold medicinal composition. They can drive out the wind and cool down body heat, so they help to alleviate the symptoms of Pungyal-type urticaria. As for the year, since lung controls the skin, I will apply acupuncture on 폐혈, 내분비혈, 침혈, 신문혈, which have sedative and antiphlogistic effects by controlling internal secretions. This is 폐혈. And this is 내분비혈. And this is 침혈.
어렸을 때부터 특히 돼지고기에 대한 두드러기가 심했거든요. 그래서 특히 그 돼지고기가 들어가는 음식을 잘못 먹거나 그러면 아주 심하게 두드러기가 심하고 가렵고 그래서 밤새도록 잠도 못 잘 정도였습니다. 그런데 이 병원에서 특히 한약을 많이 복용했고요. 그 다음에 침구 치료도 같이 받으면서 이렇게 점점 조금씩 가려움증이 없어졌거든요. 그러면서 돼지고기도 점점 나아가면서 조금씩 먹기 시작했는데요.
Many cases of urticaria appear due to external causes. Frequently, it is caused by an allergy from food or drugs. The list of the foods that cause allergies is endless, from fermented foods such as milk and cheese to strawberries and vegetables. If the cause of urticaria seems to be an allergy to food, it is desirable to stop eating and to drink only boiled water or ion waters to prevent dehydration.
Some women break out in hives during menstruation. An invasion of a parasite can also trigger urticaria. Doctors explain that these breakouts and other skin conditions arise due to problems of the internal organs. Our skin mirrors our state of well-being. So if you want a clear complexion, remember to nourish from the inside and nourish from the outside. That was the Oriental Medical Digest. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.